Okay, so my product's been running for about 15-16 minutes. It's done now, so I'm going to go ahead and shut the freeze off to dasher, just run my dasher, and I'm going ahead and extract my product. Now I'm going to have to add some chocolate chips to this, so I don't want to overfill my tub. And I'm going to go ahead, place that here, and dump my chocolate chips on top. And I'm going to mix it in with my stir rod, which we supply with any batch machine. And I don't want to be chintzy with my chips. I'll make sure I have enough in there. We want to give our customers a great product so that they come back. There's several things that bring people back to our business. One is the quality of the product. 2 is the service. 3 is the looks of our location, so that the whole experience is a great one for the customer. Now, because I'm adding chips to this, again, I didn't want to overfill my tub. So what I'll do is I'll put the rest in here, and I can always dump it into the container there. Or again, I can dump it on top of a mint chocolate chip that I already have that I've been serving out of. And there we have mint chocolate chip Italian water ice. Very easy and simple. I used a mint base, similar to my recipe for my mango that I made. So I used a mint base, some liquid stabilizer, sugar, and water.